Yes.
We're just leaving, actually. Nobody's filing charges against my client.
Ooh! Ooh! No!
You're not allowed any closer to Chuck than 100 feet. Want to kick your ass?
Yeah, it's too early for you to get it.
The people charge Mr. King with criminal contempt and violation of bail. People request Mr. King to be custody until trial.
Your Honor, my client has no prior knowledge of the
Here he goes.
That Mr. King was leaving at exactly the same time as Mr. McConnell.
Well, there are only so many senators. A great deal of that.
Your Honor, Mr. King was going on to trial.
He was enjoying the singing.
Your client may be unusual at level.
Einstein, do tickle tickle.
Court order.
Tickle tickle.
Defense, Your Honor.
Murder is
Tickle tickle.
in addition to
Tickle, tickle.
the trial, King is under
Tickle, tickle.
investigation for a second and
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
homicide. Well, then, just
Tickle,
a
tickle.
murder and his prior conviction should be enough to move on bail.
Tickle, 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 tickle.
Bail is set at $500,000.
Docket number 2876351, People versus Carter for illegal use of a controlled substance.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Nothing was spoken. There's more money.
Tickle, 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 tickle.
The devil sees nothing there.
Oh, tickle, 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 tickle. Oh, now he's going to perform You're funny. He must know he's getting a picture taken. Einstein, hello? 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 Oh. Oh, really? Oh, baby.
Be the first openly gay man elected to major office. This is our lives are fighting.
Who said that's an oh, baby?
Stars in the critically acclaimed film, Milk.
Hello, Einstein.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.